System integrators or consultants can be challenged when creating matching algorithms that deviate from the ones delivered in the preconfigured enablement package. When match tuning, it may be necessary to write complex Java scripts to fine-tune the matches to fit the business requirements or cater for unforeseen patterns that become apparent within the data during the load process. This leads to extra workload and could introduce unwanted errors. In this release, Stibo Systems provide a fully mature and ready-to-use name matcher using a pre-trained machine learning model that has captured industry standards and complex name matching edge cases. This reduces complexity and thus reduces the skills and effort required when configuring and tuning matches as part of the establishment of a party data matching algorithm. Also, the possible introduction of unwanted errors can be eliminated. This video will illustrate how AI can be utilized in an existing matching algorithm by adding a machine learning matcher. First, select the System Setup tab. Then select and expand the Match Code and Matching Algorithms folder. Next, locate and select a matching algorithm, such as individual matching. To edit the algorithm, scroll to the bottom and select the Edit Match Criteria link. This opens the decision table. It's apparent that there are already a number of normalizers added as data elements, along with several matches. To add an additional matcher, select Add Matcher. Provide an ID, ML matcher, to indicate that it will be a machine learning matcher, and select Machine Learning Matcher from the drop-down list. As can be seen, the matcher is not yet configured. To do that, select the field and the ellipsis button to the right. In the configuration dialog, select the version of the ML matcher to use. Now, the ML matchers have their own versioning that is independent of the step versions, which means that any available version of the ML matcher can be chosen. In this example, however, there's just one version available, which is selected. To provide the data to the matcher, a normalizer must be added. Another new feature is the addition of a nickname CSV file that holds nicknames in groups and not just as pairs. The file could look like this. The file is stored below the assets. To evaluate the matcher, William Creighton and Bill Creighton are selected. Note that the surnames differ in spelling and the first names are aliases. Clicking Evaluate reveals the score, which is a high score of 95.3%. This is achieved utilizing the ML matcher and the nicknames table. Click OK to save the matcher. The new matcher can be added to the rules table. Clicking Edit Conditions enables selection of the ML matcher just added. Then it's possible to add different comparators. For example, true. Finally, click Save to save the configuration of the decision table and the matching algorithm. This concludes the illustration of adding a machine learning matcher to an existing matching algorithm.